1937 Plymouth. Look at this beauty. This is nice, man. This is an old gangster car. My name is Francisco, Francisco's Automotive. I have a shop in Huntington Beach on Slater between Beach Boulevard and Gothard, 7662 Slater Avenue. If you live in the city of Newport Beach, city of Irvine, and you have a classic car, I mean, it could be a 64, 66 Mustang. It could be an old Chevy. I work on classic cars. I've been working on them for a while, for quite a while. It's one of my specialties. I specialize in electrical and air conditioning, but I get a lot of these cars. Word gets out that I work on them. This guy found out I worked on him. He brought it from LA, and I did a clutch. Car runs really, really nice. The most important thing is, how are they going to treat your car when you bring it over? Since this car has been on the hoist, it gets covered really nice. It gets taken care of really nice. And when I'm done, I keep it out of the way of everybody else. And then I call my customer, he comes and picks it up right away. I've been in the automotive industry since 1975, in my own business since '85. I give a 3-year warranty on a lot of my work. And for me, my partner is really, really good at finding parts. This had a pinion seal, it had a transmission done on it, and we were able to find all the parts, get it done pretty quick. Give me a call with any of your questions. You're going to buy a car, you're going to sell a car, you're going to teach your daughter how to drive, and you want some hints, give me a call. Francisco's Automotive, 714-375-2661. Thank you for watching the video.